Jamushi Travels is back and we are back again at Dusit Thani. For this day, we booked a Dusit Club room for an access at the Dusit Club. And since our room is not yet available, we took time to have tea and some snacks in this area.
Dito tayo dito. The best dito yung infinity pool nila. Ayan. Haba. Tapos later sunset, the best. Nice. Parang ito yung bago naming favorite kasi mas mura.
How often do you guys travel a year?
Okay, tsaka yun nga, looking for the next big second floor lang tayo.
Anong floor? Third?
Fourth.
Fourth. Sabi?
Kala ko dito yung club lounge nila.
Just make it one building.
Ay, ito lang. Hi, welcome to Dusit Thani 3416. So we have a guest for today's video. Ayan.
Good afternoon.
Ayan. So we booked the deluxe room, club room pala. Club twin and got upgraded to the sea view. Ayan. So maganda yung balcony natin for today's video. Maganda, no? Okay. The other view kasi yung garden view. Pero walang view na yan. Ganda, shit. Okay, hindi kayo sa akin. So yan, magandang weather for today's video. And later, there will be a home party. Tapos itutour natin later sa sa club lounge. Nag-club lounge na kami pero hindi pa kami nag-video. So later na. So may mga nagsiswimming na dito and may pool din dito sa other side. Tapos may Indian wedding. So mamaya maraming sounds na. So makikisayaw tayo. Yeah. And I'm sure masarap yung Indian food ngayon sa
I think that might be it. Is Indian colored in the restaurant, right?
Okay, so tingnan natin yung ibang amenities. Parang same naman, no? So ngayon, may extra bed tayo. So, yan. And then...
Malamig, no?
Nandito rin naman yung...
Exhaust?
exhaust. Pero wala naman silang pang-cooking. So siguro pag long-term guest kami, full-size rin sila yung ref. Saka... Ay, wala pala. And then, sa amenities nila, ayan, 3 toothbrush naman. And separate yung shower and toilet. And with bidet. Ayan. So, yan yung importante may bidet. Tapos, ayun. Coffee, ito, yan lang. 3-in-1. So, buti may lounge. Access tayo, kaya pwede tayo mag-premium coffee sa lounge. And drinks.
Oh, video.
Okay. Ayan, sige. Bye-bye.
They had a special promo during our stay, so we took the time to reserve our spa. And later on, at the latter part of the video, we'll show a glimpse of how the experience looks like.
Ayan, Dusit Club.
Kasabi mo kami.
Ay, nasa tayo ngayon, Dusit Club.
Back in the club.
Yeah. So, kain ulit tayo. Saan tayo? Doon naman sa malapit. Ay, dito na lang.
Okay.
Di pa lang natin.
Do they have an egg station or something? What is that?
Mga afternoon tea.
Pero may ano silang kakanin. Okay.
Oo.
Ganda.
I like I eat that.
So we're now here at the afternoon tea. So masarap kasi may ano to?
Kakanin.
Kakanin, may mango sago, ube sago, and they have the classic pan chocolate and mga savory items. Wala lang sandwich, pero that's fine. And for the selection, marami. Yan, may ube, pandesal pa. So, I think all good naman. And we have our guests for today's video.
Hello.
Yan, see you.
Waiting lang tayo dun sa drinks, no? Okay, and mukhang very busy.
Ito pala may bacon. Yung isa. Savory pala.
For our experience, Dusit Thani swimming pool is the best in Mactan, Cebu. So we dedicated few minutes in this video to share to you our experience here at the pool. After our quick nap time, we then explore the evening cocktails at the club room. Kaya tayo punta ngayon din eh.
Ito tayo sa cocktail hour. Ito na lang tayo ulit. Aray. Pork sausage, gucci, saka barbecue. Hi, so nandito tayo sa evening cocktails ng Dusit Club at Dusit Thani, Mactan, Cebu. So kain tayo ng salad, kimbap, pork sausage, tsaka pork barbecue, and gucci. And marami ring mga cold cuts, cake, and dried fruits and nuts. Ayun, mukhang okay naman, masarap naman so far. Walang kanin. Pero solve ka na, pang dinner na. Ayun, bye-bye.
Pahiyong po, they make that one which is way back 2020. And the name Bulak na po, ma'am, is which we live in Lapu-Lapu City. Lapu-Lapu is our fallen hero. Something like...
Play of words.
Yes po. And then Bulak na is Lapu-Lapu Mistress.
Bulak na. Tapos
Yes
ito,
po. And
Mistress niyo Lapu-Lapu.
si Bulak na.
po, ma'am.
At sus ito,
Thank you. And the pahiyong po, ma'am, is in Bisaya word, which is something like smiling and being happy. You're being flirty with someone.
ganun pala yun. Sakto ngayong Valentine's.
Go po. And happy Valentine's.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
As it heart, cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay po.
Para siyang coconut.
Yeah.
tayo sa gym. Yan. Ang ganda ng ano rin, view ngayon. Saka hindi mainit. Silip lang tayo. Ayan, may mga nag-gym din na nakachinelas.
Parang mga bata.
Hindi. Bata ba? Silipin na. Tatap ka. May ano eh.
Stop.
Dark.
Okay, that's a good brand. This is okay. We get it.
Sapan. Tapos yung Delta na alala.
Saan tayo ngayon?
May lapit lang.
Going to...
Going to the beachfront. Magkain muna tayo sa Indian Lane.
Yeah, that should be.
Sa kabila. Mas maganda. Energy guys! Manila Bay. Yung tinabunan.
And that's for our day 1. We had ice cream and cake for our nightcap.
Sumakay tayo ng plane.
During COVID, did you guys vacation anywhere? And like, I don't think you were in Boracay. And
So this is the spread that I got from the buffet area, and what I love about this is the Indian cuisine that's available because of the Indian wedding. Now, just in case you're looking for bacon, you can ask the kitchen and they'll give it to you. Dusit is also a drone-friendly resort. So if you want to try and fly your drone here, you can just ask the reception and the guard. And once you have the permit, you can fly all you want.
Kunwari. Ito to check out the breakfast. So, ayan, may masala tea. Sarap. Freshly made. Pero kailangan ng sugar. Medyo ano siya. Walang sugar.
So the good thing about having Indian sa resort, no, nagkakaroon ng mga exclusives.
Nandito sila. Kaya pala kahapon may chat, ano yan?
May mga chutney, dami.
Chutney. Hindi, ano yung maliliit na gano'n? Yung tawag doon.
Kalimutan ko na eh.
Yung tinapay.
Hindi naman
sarap
dosa yun eh, dosa
Hindi
ba?
dosa.
Pero masaya.
Sarap.
Ayun lang. Bye! Cheers na lang tayo. Cheers, 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 cheers.
Cheers! Pang Pinoy itong pool na to. Kasi maaaraw. Ay, maadilim.
Since we were able to get a late checkout, we spent time having some cocktails and then off we go to our scheduled spa experience.
Hi! So, nasa NAM spa tayo here at Dusit Thani and we booked the NAM Signature Spa for 90 minutes yan, for couple. So, around 5,000 for 2. Yan. So, let's see later. So, bye-bye! Nakita mo ba yun? May bathtub din.
So please change the dishes for someone underwear. And use this around to cover your body. Thank you.
Okay po.
Welcome. You can use also slippers.
Okay po. Maganda. Oo.
Okay, tapos na kami. 90 minutes. Ang sarap. Ayan, maganda yung couples. Nila. Kasi may bathtub. Yan, solo yung susulit naman. Ayan. Next time ulit.
Bye!
So, may tea naman kami after. Bye!
And that's for our Dusit Thani adventure. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.